प्रणाम। मैं प्रोफेसर अश्विनी अग्रवाल 4D इन्फ्यूजर इंस्टीट्यूट काल सर्कल दिल्ली से बोल रहा हूं। आज हम लोग निश्चलिज्म की बात कर रहे हैं, निश्चलता का पसारा यानी चीटिंग फ्री वर्ल्ड। इज चीटिंग फ्री वर्ल्ड पॉसिबल? तो वी हैव बीन टॉकिंग अबाउट इट फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम। एक some question came to me some time back. I think maybe a week. We were talking about something else, and all of a sudden this cropped in: divine delivery. That what is divine delivery? It actually, we were talking about something about pregnancy period care to a group, and there this question came: divine delivery. And I mean, just it came to my again, somebody reminded me today, and I thought, okay, let me put some words, few words for this. Divine delivery. Normally, divine delivery means you are targeting for a healthy child delivery. That's what the thought is, but actually divine child delivery, that is only a divine child delivery, but we are talking of divine delivery. What is the difference between the two? Divine child delivery is one aspect which comes in when you get married. After that, but divine delivery starts from day one. What does it mean? Simply try to understand. Divine delivery means you deliver healthy. No more updations possible in that. It should be perfect in all respect, made for that purpose. So your thinking has to be divine. Your thoughts have to be divine. Your execution has to be divine. Your producing should be divine. Your procedure adopted should be divine. So it should be an automatic process rather than you every time you try to get into divine thought, every time you try to get into divine procedure. Divine delivery means I got a project and I got certain time limit for that, which I only defined, that I need this much of time, I need this big a team, and in this team this kind of specialist should be there, and their health should be this, at least this level, their immunity level has to be this level, their grasping level has to be this level. So many parameters if you want to really do the divine delivery of the project, which will be worthwhile for user. Not that every day you are getting patches, every day update is there. This is what is happening today. And due to updates, your system dies. I am surprised. How can you update anything? It's a myth. We are living in a myth world. Mithya. What is mithya? What is myth world? Myth world is that we upgrade every day. Can you stop your growth, your height growth? Can you stop your hunger? You can get rid of it, but you can't stop. Getting rid of it, hunger. How you can get rid of hunger? Very simple. Eat. If you eat something, your hunger will be fulfilled. वो कहते हैं कि भूख को जितन और नींद, दो चीजों के बारे में कहा गया है, भूख और नींद को जितना चाहो बढ़ा सकते हो, जितना चाहो कम कर सकते हो। ऐसा है क्या? भूख का तो कंट्रोल आपके हाथ में फिर भी एक बार को हो सकता है, फीलिंग का, पर नींद का क्या करोगे? अगर आप अलार्म से उठते हो तो ये समझ लो कि आपने आधे दिन की अपनी एफिशिएंसी खो दी। ज्यादातर मेल्स के लिए एप्लीकेबल है, फीमेल्स को ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता। अगर मेल्स अपनी आधी एफिशिएंसी खोते हैं तो फीमेल 40%, हाँ इतना फर्क तो पड़ता है कि अगर आप अलार्म से उठते हो सुबह तो आपकी एफिशिएंसी आधी रह गई पूरे दिन के काम के लिए। पक्की बात है ये। इट कॉजेज सो मच डिस्टर्बेंस इन योर ब्रेन। वो कहते हैं सोया हुआ ब्रेन होता है, कुछ आधा ब्रेन सोया आधा जागा है, वो कुछ कुछ कहते हैं उसको। तो ये सोच लो सोया ब्रेन तो आपका कभी जागेगा ही नहीं अगर आप अलार्म से उठने की कोशिश करनी शुरू कर दोगे तो डिवाइन डिलीवरी तो भूल ही जाओ। डिवाइन डिलीवरी तो फिर आप मतलब सपने में भी नहीं आने वाली, ड्रीम्स में, इमेजिनेशन में भी नहीं आने वाली। बात तो कर ही सकते हो, बात करने में क्या है। सो डिवाइन डिलीवरी इज in all aspects of life. It's not only the child delivery. All projects, every activity, roti, divine delivery of roti. I mean, imagine I am talking about vegetables which you are cooking. Your all cooking has to be divine. You can't make it divine just by saying that I have made it, I have ensured that I will not put extra salt. The taste is in your fingers, not in masalas. Same masala everybody uses. Why taste changes? Simple. Taste is delivered by your fingers. Delivered. And taste is tested by your nose, not by tongue. Tongue is enjoying. Taste is tested by nose and enjoyment is done by tongue. All these differences itself we are not aware of. What is the purpose of the senses, 5 senses? Even that we are not aware of well. नोज सांस लेने के काम आता है। अरे भैया नोज जो है टेस्टिंग के काम आता है, टेस्ट को टेस्ट करने के लिए। तो ये सब चीजें निकल कर आई जब हम डिवाइन शब्द को समझने की कोशिश करी हमने। तो डिवाइन तो हर जगह चाहिए, एवरी प्लेस, एवरी मिनट यू रिक्वायर डिलीवरी ऑफ डिवाइन डिलीवरी। What you are saying has to be divine. All words, शब्द को ब्रह्म कहा गया है। Word is known as ब्रह्म। अहम ब्रह्मास्मि। Only then you can deliver words which are ब्रह्म। वो actually the confusion is ब्रह्म और ब्रह्म। तो आधे लोगों को तो प्रोनाउंसिएशन के चक्कर में ब्रह्म और भ्रम में फर्क नहीं पता। आई एम टेलिंग यू, इट्स अ फैक्ट। ब्रह्म और भ्रम, इंग्लिश इज सो कंफ्यूजिंग। पीस, विच पीस? You have to understand to read it. Then only you can understand the word meaning of peace. If you are speaking, you cannot understand. You have to learn the entire sentence. It should be grammatical. It should be this. It should be that. How can it deliver divine? It cannot deliver divine. Hindi is the only language which we have understood from the languages that it alone can deliver divine provided you know Hindi well. Knowing Hindi is not grammar. That is the confusion. Knowing Hindi is not grammar. Knowing Hindi is words. Individual words are important. Statement is useless. If you have to understand a word with this statement, it's a meaningless. You will get only half cooked. Half cooked food will always harm your stomach. So divine delivery of words is most important, which cannot be possible unless your thoughts are divine. Your way of delivery is divine. Procedure. Your decision making is not divine. You can't deliver divine words. And if you are not able to deliver even divine words, don't expect that you will deliver divine child. No way possible. And all these are possible. Kuchal Veda has made it possible. But you have to understand it, Kuchal Veda. You have to understand the branch which is suitable to you out of Kuchal Veda. It has all entire, it's a seed. You know that a seed delivers a tree, huge tree, having fruits every year. Every season it gives fruits. So divine, if you want to deliver divine next generation, then Kuchal Ved has all answers. Starting with divine delivery of words, divine thoughts, divine procedure, divine decision making. So today this video is talking about divine delivery, not divine child delivery. Divine delivery in all respect. So try to understand this, and that's the message which I had to give on delivery, divine delivery, which was asked to me by the student community basically. And please go through this video again and again to understand. If you are not able to pick all in one go. So तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर.